CachyOS versus Pop! OS 2025, Best Linux Distro for Gaming and Performance? Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Linux comparisons. Today, we're comparing CachyOS versus Pop! OS to find out which is better for gaming and performance in 2025. Performance and speed. CachyOS, performance-tuned Arch-based distro. It uses optimized kernels and packages, faster and more responsive on resource-heavy tasks. Pop! OS, based on Ubuntu with systemd and optimizations from System76. Good performance for everyday use and gaming, stable and reliable under heavy workloads. Winner? Performance. Give pure optimization and speed matter most. Gaming support. Pop! OS, excellent out-of-the-box gaming support, built-in NVIDIA and AMD drivers installers. Steam, Proton, and Lutris support is easy to set up. CachyOS, great performance, but drivers may need manual configuration. Works well once set up, but not plug-and-play for all gaming hardware. Winner for gaming, Pop! OS, best for gamers who want quick setup. Ease of use. CachyOS, more technical for users familiar with Arch, requires some customization for best results. Pop! OS, user-friendly, great for beginners and intermediate users, easy GUI tools for drivers and system settings. Winner for easy use, Pop! OS. Software and package management. CachyOS uses Pacman and Arch repos, latest packages and rolling updates, more bleeding-edge software. Pop! OS uses apt/deb from Ubuntu repos, stable and tested, Flatpak and Steam Deck style support. Winner for stability, Pop! OS. Winner for latest software, CachyOS. Stability and updates. CachyOS, rolling release model, newest software but sometimes unstable. Pop! OS, fixed release model, reliable updates and fewer breakages. Winner for stability, Pop! OS. Final verdicts for 2025. CachyOS, great choice if you want maximum performance and speed and don't mind manual setup. Pop! OS, best for gaming, ease of use, and stability out of the box. Best for gaming overall, Pop! OS. Best for raw performance and tech users, CachyOS. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment Linux choice below.